English questions and answers. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. What's going on here? Nothing special. Do you like me? Yes, I like you. What do you do? I am a student. What are you doing? I am reading books. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Why are you laughing? Because I am happy. Are you happy? Yes, I am very happy. When will you go? I will go by Sunday. Can you hear me? No, I can't. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Why are you crying? Because I am upset. Are you there? Yes, I am. Whose bag is this? This is Tom's bag. Won't you go? No, I will not go. Won't you come? No, I will not come.